Hello everybody, hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a haul today, and today's haul is coming from the land where everything used to be £1, but now a few things are £2, the odd item is 50p, and the odd naughty item is a fiver. In fact, there's all different prices in Poundland now, as we know, and as you may know as well, they've just recently launched a brand new homeware line as part of their Pep Co brand that has just launched in store. So when I was passing this morning, I popped in to have a look, and I vlogged a bit in store, so I'll insert that footage for you in a moment so you can see all of the new homeware they've got, and I picked up a few bits as well which I will be showing you in a moment. So before we get into the video, quick sip of the coffee to get us going. I'm having mine in my brand new but second-hand Starbucks mug, which was 50p. What a bargain. We've even got the candle lit in the background. We're going all out for this haul today. And yeah, if you want to check out the charity shop haul, where this mug features and a few other bits and pieces, including this vase, then I'll link that down in the description box for you. But let's get on with the charity shop? No, we're not. Poundland haul, let's get on with that. But beforehand, if you're new here, do click subscribe. I'm posting new videos every single week. And if you enjoy this Poundland haul, then do give it a little thumbs up. Let's jump into the footage in store. I'm feeling a bit of music coming on, and we'll have a look at all the latest homeware in Poundland. So the first thing that caught my eye was these storage baskets. They came in white and grey, and they were a decent size. Here's the dimensions for you. They also had some throws at £5 each. I could only see them in a navy blue and an off-white colour. So this is the new range. They had the new branding in store, and this bathroom range really caught my eye. These were only £1 each, and I particularly liked the glass range that they do. They also had small artificial plants in little concrete pots for £1, and some decorative items for £3 if you're into your gold home decor. They had a few nice pieces, including this photo frame, which I thought looked very stylish, for £3. They also had lots of bath towels, and this caught my eye. This is actually a bath mat, and I thought that was really lovely quality for £3. These are usually a little bit more pricey in other stores as well. They had a few items for £5, including these display things and also these lantern holders. They're kind of mirrored with a nice design on them, and also a laundry bin as well for £5. I always take a look at the boxes on top of the shelves, as that's where you can see what's about to be unpacked in store. A little tip for you there. I also had a good look at all of their artificial plants they have in store now, starting from £1, but they had some nice sizes at £3 and then some slightly taller ones at £5. They also had some new photo frames in store, including this one for £2. Again, I was just having a quick look at the boxes to see if anything else was coming new into store. Over in the DIY department, I spied some air fresheners for the car by Yankee Candle for £2, and also this white LED strip lighting for £2. They had refreshed their artificial flowers too, and the ones that I like are these green and natural coloured ones. I think these look quite realistic. I'm a big fan of the foliage. They had a few new items in the cleaning section, including these brushes, and also some miniature versions of Fabulosa, so travel size 60ml at £1 each. So there we go. What do you think of all the stuff in store? They've got some nice bits, haven't they? I really liked some of the plants, and well, let me show you everything that I bought anyway, because a few bits did fall into the basket. Please do excuse the naughty bag. It was a spontaneous visit, so I wasn't actually expecting to be going to Poundland this morning. I was just passing by and I thought I'd pop in and have a look, so hence the plastic bag. Usually I would take a reusable one with me. So the first thing that I got, let's get some boring items out of the way. We've got some mail bags here. You get 3 in a pack, and they're by the brand called New. And yeah, they're just bubble envelopes, and these are really handy if you're selling anything, doing a bit of eBaying and that sort of thing. very thin, but there is bubble wrap in those. So yeah, chippy bags essentially. And then I also got some sponge scourers. Yeah, these literally just say hand grip sponge scourers, and you get 10 in a pack. And these are the yellow ones. So these are the ones that I like to use in the kitchen, and in the bathroom I like to use pink ones, so I know which is for which room, so we're not cross contaminating our sponges around the home. Next thing that I got, oh, this stuff's really good. This is a new discovery. Now this is a £2 item, but it is worth those £2, let me tell you. It's these new M&M's chocolate bars. I think they're new. They've got a range of different ones. They've got the nut one, they've got the plain chocolate one. There was another one, which I forget, I think it was peanuts. And then, yeah, this one is the crispy one, which is my favourite. 150 grams, £2. And I mean, just sat on the sofa in front of the telly with a bar of this, and your life is good. Highly recommend it. And on to another naughty snack. We have some Maltesers. These are new as well. Maltesers biscuits. So I haven't tried these yet, but I might have one very shortly with my coffee. What are you saying? I thought they looked really nice. They kind of remind me of the Easter ones that you can get, but with biscuit in them. Sorry, my memory card just decided it was full and stopped recording. So we're back. Where was I? Yeah, we've done the Maltesers. On to another item that you may have seen before if you saw the DIY that I did of the hula hoop shelf with the rattan design. So this is the Quicker Chips trays. So yeah, really good design, and you can use these for DIYs to create a bit of a rattan design. So if you're interested in the DIY shelf that I made with a hula hoop, some sticky back plastic, it sounds like Blue Peter, and this stuff and some string, that's literally all it was. Oh, and a bit of wood. Then that tutorial will be linked in the description box, so do have a little watch of that. It was relatively simple, and I'm really pleased with how that one turned out. Lots of you have made it already as well. I've really enjoyed seeing your creations and versions of it over on Instagram. So if you do make it, do tag me so I can have a little look. And if you want to follow me over there, that is where I'll be snapping the rest of the stuff that I spied in store, and also I'll be sharing any new bits that come into Poundland as well. I always save them to a highlight for you, so that's over on Mr. Carrington Home if you want to see what's new in store, have a little tap through, see the items that I've spotted. So another new thing that I haven't seen before, it's another cleaning thing. This is a Easy Do Essentials brushy dish brush. So, stand by for some ASMR. It has these bristles that are flexible, and it's black and white, so it looks quite stylish. But the great thing about this is it's 100% recyclable, designed and manufactured in the UK. So I guess you just put that in your plastic recycling when you're done with it. And so many washing up brushes do get a bit yucky after a while, don't they? So the fact that you can recycle this one, I think is fab. I'll let you know how you get on with it. So yeah, little brushy, and we'll be scrubbing the plates with that, getting everything nice and clean. These would be getting in between the forks, no bother, wouldn't they? So I'll stop demonstrating the brushy. But yeah, I'll let you know how that goes. I might do a little clean with me soon. What are we thinking? Do we fancy a little clean with me? End of summer, house tidy up, house clean? Let me know in the comments if you're keen to see one of those. I got some of these hold it staples, and it just says staples on the back. These are the sort of staples that go in a staple gun. So I've got the £2 staple gun from Poundland. I don't know where that is. I picked that up recently, and yeah, I might be using it for a DIY. So again, I'll keep you posted on how good it is, but I've got plenty of staples to go with it. You get 4,000 staples in there, so if you're short of staples, 4,000, I think that might have been £2. Yeah, I'm pretty certain it was. These are good. These are new in store. These are the Fabulosa miniatures. So these are great to pop in your bag or your glove box, or your pocket even, anywhere that you want to have some disinfectant spray to hand. And they had the lemon, I was gonna say flavour, scent, and they had the wild rhubarb as well. And yeah, it's just a mini version. This one is Electrify, which I haven't used before, but I gave this a sniff, or a whiff, in store. And it just smells really, it just smells like cleaning, if that's a thing. So if you want to smell like cleaning, well, not you, don't spray it on yourself, I don't think it's for you. But if you want to spray like your tray table on the train, or if you want to spray an armrest on the bus, or if you want to spray your steering wheel or your dashboard, I think it'd be good for that. I mean, for the size, it's not the best value because this is a 60ml, and normally you'd get, I think, over 100ml, maybe even 200 in the bottles, but you can refill these as well. So it's a sweet little bottle and just really handy to have. So that'll be going in my bag. Do you want an old school what's in my bag? I'm just offering other videos. Let me know. We have, I'm very excited about this. I saw Freya talk about this, and I think it's been highly recommended. It's a Febreze bathroom air freshener. 45 days, 2-in-1. It eliminates and prevents odours from lingering. No one likes a lingering odour, do they? Let's face it. Cotton fresh. I'm not thinking the bathroom. I'm thinking back of the door. The front door. So come in, waft the door open, and people will walk in and be like, this house smells so clean and fresh. It smells like Febreze, cotton breeze. And I'll be like, yes it does. Don't look behind the door. There's an air freshener hiding on it. We've got some more snacks. I forgot I bought more chocolate, but these were a bargain. Now these were 50p. Leftover from Easter, of course, but these are the Galaxy Enchanted eggs, and these are very, very nice. And then we've got some rubber gloves. I got some blue ones. I always go for size large because the medium ones are a little bit tight on me. Oh, you get 6. Do you? That's a lot. Maybe these aren't rubber gloves. Oh, they're not. No, they're not. They're disposable gloves. They're not what I thought they are. They'll be good for cleaning anyway, right? But maybe they're not good for like washing up with. Oh yeah, they're this kind. Okay, they're handy still. I'll pop those in my cleaning supplies box. And then onto some pieces that I got from the new homeware range from Pep Co. The first one being this plant pot with a faux succulent in it. So this one says artificial plant. This was £3, quite a decent size, and I really like the fact that also, as well as the trailing part, it's got another succulent in it and then the little gravel detail inside. So quite realistic, and I think yeah, will tie in really nicely with the other bits and pieces that I've got knocking about the place. And yeah, I thought for £3, I think this was the nicest one that I saw in store, but they had quite a few different ones, ranging from just £1 for the tiny ones with the little roses and things, all the way up to £5 for a plant so big. So lots of options if you are looking for some greenery and some fake plants for your home. And then I picked up this, which I was really pleased with. This is a bath mat, and again this was £3. It's microfiber, but it's got the really nice bobbling design, and I feel like this is going to be quite big. The label says bath mat, in case you're wondering, and let's have a look. Oh yeah, decent size, as you can see. It's gone very dark. Are we there? And yeah, really nice and soft, and just classic white, so I think this always looks quite posh. Reminds me of like expensive hotels, this kind of thing. So yeah, I thought that was really good for £3. I haven't seen them that cheap anywhere else, I don't think. I think Primark would be talking a £5 for that. So I thought that was excellent value. And I just got a few more mailing bags as well. You get 8 of these plastic ones as well. And they've got the address section that you can write onto. If you're doing any posting of bits and pieces or any selling of stuff online, that sort of thing, really handy. So that is everything that I've got to show you from the land where everything used to be £1, but not anymore. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments which item was your favourite, and from the footage of the homeware in store, did anything catch your eye? Will you be heading down to your local Poundland to try and pick up any of the pieces that I've shown you today? Don't forget you can always catch me over on Instagram. It's Mr Carrington or Mr Carrington Home. I'd love to see you over there where I post daily updates. And if you're new here, do click subscribe. There's 50% of you watching that haven't subscribed yet, so I would absolutely love it if you did click subscribe. It would really help me out, and do give the video a little thumbs up if you enjoyed it, to let YouTube know that you enjoyed the video as well. But yeah, enjoy the rest of your day if you want to as well. I always ask for so many things in the comments, but I do read them all. Let me know what you're up to. Let me know how your week's going so far, and I will see you very soon for another video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. Let me know in the comments which item was your favourite.